This next video contains some spicy language. Just thought I'd let you know in advance. And Daisy won't be listening to it either.
The proper way to cook for dogs, your dog's sitting. Best job in the world, and they don't complain about the food at all. Bacon, chicken, gravy, and there's a bit of steak mixed in there too. Dogs eat good tonight. The joys of dog sitting is that I cook meals like that for dogs. I wouldn't do it for people because, well, people in this society suck. You whine about everything, and I'm sure somebody's going to complain. Oh, you didn't cook that chicken enough, or you didn't cook that bacon enough. Fuck off. I despise you foodies and you people that need your food cooked perfectly. I can't wait till we run out of food and you pretentious fuckers get stuck eating grass. Maybe you can complain to somebody. Oh, my grass wasn't cut correctly.